Okay, for the anesthesia, we're going to find the last rib, comes down right here, and then we're going to find the lateral process of the first lumbar vertebrae.
Take the rumen fluid from Virtus, we put it into the sick animal.